Hey denizens, Dream 50, living in a different city and working at a great startup. So, I have completed successfully my dream number 50, which was living in a different city and work at a great startup. Different city, why? Because I lived in Bangalore and working at a great startup. Yes, that is also done. I have been in Bangalore for around 2 years now. I worked at PhonePe India Private Limited, which is a fintech company, and it was really a great experience. But that's it. That's the part of the journey, and the part of the journey is the end. So now I am moving ahead and going back to my hometown with more different kind of adventures and more different kinds of dreams to fulfill. Now, why I am leaving this city? Because I have other challenges to fulfill. You can't stick around at a particular destination for long, right? So that's why I have to move, and today is the last day in Bangalore, and I'm moving back to my hometown, that is in Kolkata. Now, living in a different city has its own pros and cons. The pros being uh, facing new challenges, cooking your own food, and then experiencing new ventures, new challenges, be it cleaning your own clothes, being it cleaning your own room, and other stuffs as well. But I have realized that the little things in life matter, because if you can't do the little things right, you will never be able to do the big things right. So it was a great journey, and yes, will I be missing this city or not? Will I be missing this job or not? Yes, I will miss that. It is kind of a mixed feeling, and long story short, I loved being in Bangalore, but this city is too costly, man. I mean, if you are having an income of around 1 lakh in Bangalore, then it's a good city. But less than that, it's pretty difficult to survive here. The cost of living is very, very, very high. I came to the city for a few reasons. For example, salary raise, promotion, and to fulfill my desire of being in a different city and to see how life is. But to be honest and upfront, I would like to say that I have realized that cycle is same, be it in any other city. You have to go ahead and bootlick your managers to get promotion, and even if you get a salary raise, it is not at par with the standard of living in a particular city. So maybe I have got 10 to 15,000 hike what I was getting back in Kolkata, but then again, cost of living is too much. So it is almost similar what I was getting in back in Kolkata. So why go ahead and suffer for the rest of life living in this kind of city? So yeah, so it was a good experience, but I had to put a halt to this experience, and it was nice. It was a nice journey. Come on, you cannot have the luxury of your mom cooking food for you at home. Yes, I do miss those things, but that's not the reason to go back to my hometown. So uh, let's see what the next chapter unfolds. But I believe that I'll be starting a new venture of my own. I'll be my own boss, and I'll apply my own creativity into work, and let's see what the future holds. But I'll not be able to work in an environment where your efforts are not if your efforts are where your efforts are not appreciated, or promotions are given to a different person who bootlick their managers, or go for a fag, go for a party with managers. So that I'm done with all kinds of shit, this stupid policies. I think I'll start something of my own now. looking forward to the future, and I'll keep you guys updated. So uh, just to embrace myself that yes, I have completed one of a kind of a dream, I would say, that living in a different city and facing new challenges and working at a great startup. PhonePe was a great equalizer. I really enjoyed working there, but yes, again, the cycle, as I mentioned, the cycle is same. You give your efforts, you do not get recognition, and that's it. I think people who are working in corporate life would understand this. It's not about the skill issue. Uh, every time the skill sets are there, but you are not getting promoted because of shitty managers and shitty team leads. I think it's very important to show your own creativity and have a goal in life where you want to be, where you see yourself in the future. So that's the reason I decided to get back to my home city and experience all the joys of life with my near and dear ones. I mean, if you have anything, if you have money, if you have a good job, if you have a good life, what's the point if you are not staying with your family and enjoying and sharing your experiences with your family? What's the point if they are not there in times of their need, right? So that's the whole agenda of this video. Thank you. If you think this video was a bit informative, surely do LSS, like, share, subscribe. Have a great life.